Welcome to the TexitCoin training workshop. This workshop is designed to give you a hands-on understanding of the key concepts and practical steps involved with TexitCoin. We'll be covering essential skills, best practices, and hopefully answering any questions you might have as we go along. So, get ready to be engaged and deepen your knowledge as we work through the TexitCoin topics together. Now, as we move into our first about crypto and specifically TexitCoin, I want to make it absolutely clear that everything we discuss here is not financial advice, not tax advice, and there are no income guarantees being made. The scenarios and information I'll be sharing are purely for educational purposes and are entirely hypothetical. Please keep this in mind as we go through the next few slides. This is all about understanding concepts and possibilities, not making any promises or recommendations. On this slide, we're looking at what the experts have to say about building wealth. There's a great quote here from Robert Kiyosaki and Grant Cardone. The secret to money: buy cash flow producing assets. This really highlights the core principle we want to focus on. It's not just about market speculation, where you're trying to guess which way prices will move. It's also not just about holding on to tokens or stocks and hoping to go up in value. The real key is owning assets that actually generate income for you, consistently. That's the difference between just participating in the market and truly building sustainable wealth. Let's talk about what a crypto mining unit actually is. Essentially, a crypto mining unit is a device or system that produces tokens on a daily basis. The value generated by each unit is market-driven, and currently, that's about $5 per day per unit, though this can fluctuate with the market. These units are designed with longevity in mind. They're built to mine for over 100 years, making them a long-term investment. Another important aspect is that these units are willable, meaning you can pass them on to your heirs, which adds to their long-term value. So, in summary, a crypto mining unit is a durable, income-generating asset that's easy to manage and can be part of your legacy. Here you can see actual images of our real mining units in operation. On the left, we have a look at one of our dedicated mining containers, branded with the TexitCoin logo and labeled for fog hashing, which is a key part of our infrastructure. The top right image gives you a close-up view of the mining hardware itself, showing the powerful machines and the organized cabling that keeps everything running efficiently. Below, you can see the interior of the mining facility, with rows of mining rigs set up for optimal cooling and performance. These images demonstrate the scale and professionalism of our mining operations, reinforcing that we have real, physical assets behind our project. On this slide, we're looking at the TexitCoin market, where I want to highlight that mined TexitCoins can be cashed in on multiple exchanges. As you can see from the screenshot, there are several exchanges listed where TexitCoin is actively traded, each showing different prices, volumes, and liquidity. This means that once you've mined your coins, you have the flexibility to choose where to sell or trade them, depending on which exchange offers the best rate or suits your needs. The interface here shows real-time data, including the current price, order book, and recent trades, giving users transparency and control over their transactions. Remember, though, that no incomes are guaranteed or implied. This is for training purposes only, and the market can fluctuate. As we can see here, Texit is a crowd-funded project, which places it in the same category as some of the most successful and innovative crypto projects in the world. If we look at this Google search, we see that crowdfunding has played a significant role in the growth of blockchain and crypto technologies. Projects like EOS, Filecoin, and Ethereum have all raised substantial amounts through crowdfunding, with Ethereum, for example, raising over $18 million during its ICO in 2014. This approach not only democratizes investment but also helps build a strong community around the project from the very beginning. Texit is following in the footsteps of these major players, leveraging the power of the crowd to fuel its development and adoption. This is a proven model that has led to the creation of some of the top cryptocurrencies in the world, and it positions Texit for similar potential success. On this slide, we're highlighting the marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin, specifically focusing on digital signage across multiple states. As you can see from the images, TexitCoin has been featured prominently on a variety of digital billboards, showcasing real-time pricing and key messaging such as mine, trade, spend. These billboards are strategically placed in high-traffic areas to maximize visibility and reach a broad audience. Additionally, you'll notice the use of a branded hot air balloon, which further extends the reach and impact of the campaign. The goal here is to build strong brand recognition and trust by maintaining a consistent presence in multiple locations, reinforcing the legitimacy and momentum of TexitCoin. On this slide, we're highlighting the marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin, specifically focusing on airport signage. As you can see in the image, our campaign is prominently displayed in high-traffic areas of major airports, including DFW, Orlando, Miami, LAX, Austin, and Houston. This strategic placement ensures that TexitCoin gains visibility among a diverse and substantial audience, including both business and leisure travelers. The goal here is to build strong brand recognition and trust by associating TexitCoin with major transportation hubs, making it a familiar name for people from all over the country. This is just one of the ways we're working to establish TexitCoin as a leading brand in the crypto space. On this slide, we're highlighting the marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin, specifically focusing on sponsorships. As you can see, TexitCoin has been featured as a sponsor on the State of the Frogs show, which is a great example of how the brand is being integrated into popular sports content. This kind of sponsorship not only increases visibility among a dedicated fan base but also helps build credibility and trust for the TexitCoin brand. The TexitCoin logo is prominently displayed, reinforcing brand recognition. These strategic partnerships are essential for expanding our reach and engaging with new audiences, ultimately driving interest and adoption of TexitCoin. On this slide, we're highlighting the marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin, specifically focusing on sponsorships. As you can see, TexitCoin has been featured as a sponsor at one of the world's largest crypto events, the Token 2049 conference in Singapore. This kind of sponsorship not only puts our brand in front of a global audience of crypto enthusiasts and industry leaders, but it also helps to build credibility and trust within the community. The screenshot on the right shows TexitCoin listed among other prominent sponsors, which further reinforces our presence in the market. These strategic sponsorships are a key part of our overall marketing plan to drive awareness and adoption of TexitCoin. On this slide, we're highlighting some of the key marketing and brand awareness strategies for TexitCoin. One of the most eye-catching initiatives has been the use of car wraps on high-end vehicles, which you can see in these images. These branded cars are not only visually striking but also serve as mobile billboards, helping to spread the word about TexitCoin wherever they go. In addition to the car wraps, there have been $2 million worth of car giveaways, which have generated significant buzz and excitement around the brand. These efforts are designed to increase visibility, attract attention, and create memorable experiences that keep TexitCoin top of mind for both current and potential users. On this slide, we're highlighting the TexitCoin marketing and brand awareness strategy, which is heavily focused on grassroots marketing. As you can see from the images, there are hundreds of local meetups happening every week, bringing together community members in various settings, from casual gatherings at restaurants and cafes to more formal presentations and seminars. These events are designed to foster engagement, build relationships, and spread the word about TexitCoin at the local level. The goal is to create a strong, organic network of supporters who are passionate about the project and can help drive its adoption through word of mouth and personal connections. This approach not only increases visibility but also builds trust and credibility within the community. Remember, as noted at the bottom, no incomes are guaranteed or implied. These activities are for training and informational purposes only. Now let's take a look at the impact of our marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin. One of the key indicators we track is visibility on major platforms, and here you can see TexitCoin featured on CoinMarketCap's most viewed list worldwide. This is a significant achievement, as CoinMarketCap is one of the most visited cryptocurrency sites globally, and being listed among the most viewed coins means that our marketing strategies are driving real interest and engagement. The red arrow highlights TexitCoin's position, demonstrating that our brand is gaining traction and attention in a highly competitive space. This visibility not only increases awareness but also builds credibility and trust with potential investors in the broader crypto community. On this slide, we're looking at the impact of our marketing and brand awareness efforts for TexitCoin. The big question is it working? And as you can see from the chart, the answer is a resounding yes. We've experienced massive growth, with the price highlighted at $5.30, which is a significant increase. The graph shows a strong upward trend, indicating that our strategies are driving real results in terms of both visibility and value. This kind of growth demonstrates that our campaigns are resonating with the market and attracting new interest. Remember, these results are for training purposes only and do not guarantee future income, but it's clear that our marketing push is making a substantial impact. Now let's talk about how you can actually own a TexitCoin miner. Here, you can see the different entry levels available, depending on how much mining power you want to start with. The process is straightforward. Just go to the website, click on Join Now, and you'll be able to select your preferred package. The options range from $995 for 1 seat at 100 hash power, all the way up to $8,995 for 9 seats at 900 hash power. There are also promotional offers, like the buy one get one free promotion at certain levels, which gives you even more value for your investment. The best value is highlighted here, where you can get 2 seats for the price of 9 at the highest mining power. Remember, no incomes are guaranteed or implied. This is for training purposes only, but it gives you a clear idea of the different ways you can get started with TexitCoin mining. On this slide, I want to show you the detailed back office tracking that you get when you own a TexitCoin miner. As you can see from the dashboard, you have access to a comprehensive set of analytics and charts that help you monitor your mining activity in real time. This includes metrics like your hash rate, earnings over time, pool share, and average miner performance. You can also see a breakdown of your coin distribution and usage, as well as trends and historical data to help you optimize your mining strategy. This level of transparency and data access is designed to give you full control and insight into your mining operations, making it easier to track your progress and make informed decisions. On this slide, we're looking at what you get when you own a TexitCoin miner, specifically focusing on the detailed back-office tracking system. As you can see from the screenshot, the platform provides a comprehensive dashboard where you can monitor your account activity, track your earnings, and review your transaction history in real time. The graph in the center shows your income trends over time, helping you visualize your mining performance. On the right, you have a summary of your wallet balance and recent transactions, making it easy to keep tabs on your funds. This level of transparency and detail is designed to give you confidence and control over your mining operations. Now, Let's talk about how to own a TexitCoin miner. When you get started, you'll receive a TexitCoin package, and what you get is access to the Texit wallet app. The first step is to download the TXC wallet app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play, and once you have it installed, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Step 2 is to scan your coin. Simply open the app, click the Add Now button, and follow the prompts to begin the process of adding your coin to your wallet. This is a straightforward process designed to make it easy for anyone to get started with TexitCoin. As the owner of a TexitCoin miner and what the process looks like when it comes to cashing out your daily rewards. As you can see on the screen, the rewards you earn from mining TexitCoin can be easily cashed out by sending your TXC to an exchange. The first image shows your mining dashboard, where you can track your earnings and see your transaction history in real time. The second image highlights how simple it is to trade your TXC on an exchange platform, making the process fast and user-friendly. Finally, the third image demonstrates your wallet balance and the various options available for managing your coins, including sending, receiving, and trading. Remember, while these rewards are accessible and the process is straightforward, no incomes are guaranteed or implied. This is for training purposes only. On this slide, we're introducing the Texit affiliate program, which is called 1, 2, Free. This program is designed to help you earn more miners by referring others. As you can see on the screen, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your orders, the status of your referrals, and the progress you're making towards earning free miners. The idea is simple. By referring just 2 people, you can unlock additional benefits and potentially earn a free miner. This is a great way to grow your mining capacity without additional investment, simply by sharing the opportunity with others. We're highlighting the Texit affiliate program and its rapid rewards feature, which offers the potential to earn up to $3,000 weekly. The program is designed to let you earn more, whether you prefer cash, hash, or coins. You can see a sample dashboard here, showing various commission payouts across different weeks and levels. This gives you a clear idea of how the earnings are tracked and distributed, making it easy to monitor your progress and rewards. Remember, while the earning potential is significant, no incomes are guaranteed or implied, and this is for training purposes only. On this slide, I want to show you just how easy it is to share the TexitCoin story with others. We have a free marketing funnel available, and you can access it in 2 simple ways, either by scanning the QR code on the left side of the screen or by texting the word funnel to the number 740-996-4404. When you do this, you'll get access to a free TexitCoin marketing funnel that you can use to introduce others to the opportunity. The image in the center shows what the information page looks like on your phone, including details about the path to Texit and how to earn TexitCoin. Remember, this is a no-cost way to get started sharing, and it's designed to make the process as simple as possible for you and anyone you want to invite. Just scan or text, and you're ready to go. On this slide, I want to highlight some valuable resources available to help you build your confidence and maximize your potential with TexitCoin. By visiting minetxctoken.com, you'll have access to a variety of tools designed to support your journey. You can scan the QR code on the left to go directly to the training site. Once there, you'll find how to videos that walk you through key processes step by step, making it easy to get started and stay informed. You can also join the community to connect with others, share experiences, and get your questions answered. The site offers free PDFs that you can download for reference, as well as a brand kit to help you promote TexitCoin effectively. Remember, these resources are for training purposes only, and no incomes are guaranteed or implied. Take advantage of these tools to learn more and earn more as you grow with TexitCoin. Now let's talk about setting your goals. This is a crucial step. Making a decision and creating a plan will help guide your actions moving forward. First, you need to determine whether you're aiming for financial freedom or just looking for some supplemental income. This will shape your entire approach. Next, consider how many miners you want to have. Will you be purchasing them, or do you plan to earn them through other means? Finally, it's important to decide on your level of commitment. Are you going all in, or are you taking a more cautious approach? Being clear about these points will help you stay focused and make informed decisions as you move forward. It's launch time. Thank you all so much for your attention and for spending your valuable time with us today. We appreciate your interest and engagement throughout the presentation. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we've discussed, please feel free to reach out. Thanks again for your time.